Is your photocell making a clicking sound? Don't panic. In many cases, that is normal, but sometimes it signals a fault. Cause number 1, relay activation. Mechanical relays physically snap open and closed. A single click at dusk and dawn is perfectly normal. Cause number 2, internal component failure. Over time, internal contacts can oxidize or capacitors can loosen, causing vibration and clicking. Cause number 3, threshold overlap. If the on and off light levels are too close, the sensor gets confused during twilight, leading to rapid clicking. Cause number 4, moisture. If the enclosure is loose, humidity can enter and corrode the contacts, causing buzzing or chattering noises. Cause number 5, unstable voltage. If your grid power fluctuates or drops below the rated voltage, the relay will struggle to stay closed. To fix this, always check your voltage supply and ensure your load matches the photocell rating. Silence the noise, choose reliability, choose lead top.
Lead Top, your flexible OM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.